Welcome to day 3. Today you build a fully persistent task manager using arrays, objects, reusable functions, and local storage. An array holds your entire task list. Each task is an object with 4 properties: ID, day, text, completed, and created at. A stable unique ID means you can toggle or delete the exact right task even when the list is filtered or reordered. Each function does exactly one job. Add task adds and saves. Render tasks read state and rebuilds the list. They never mix responsibilities. You never read the DOM to decide what to do next. Change the array, call render tasks, and the screen reflects reality. JSON.stringify converts your task array to text for storage. JSON.parse brings it back. Load once at startup, save after every change. Wrap JSON.parse in try/catch. Validate the result is an array. A corrupted storage key must never crash your page. Create your feature branch from an updated main. Commit in 4 logical stages as you build: interface, behavior, persistence, then edge cases. Push your branch, open a pull request, and review every line and files changed. Merge only when all 8 test scenarios pass. Your task manager is waiting. Create the data model, wire up the functions, and open your first pull request. See you on day 4.